Hi everyone, my name is Andrei. I'm an artist from Belarus. I take the part in the exhibition The Summer in My Mind. I present two artworks I would like to share with you with my message about my artworks. First painting named Bright Colors 3. This is abstract acrylic painting on canvas. Bright, juicy colors, expression, dynamics, movement. All this is reflected in the painting. The painting transforms space, filling it with positivity and joy of life. Inspires to creativity, travel, unforgettable impressions, happiness, joy. This is positive abstraction. Summer is always with you. This is the original artwork currently for sale. Size 19 by 120 centimeters or 35.5 by 47 inches. It's signed on the front and on the back. Materials: acrylic paint and cotton canvas on the stretcher. The painting is covered with a thin layer of varnish. I think the painting doesn't need a frame. The image goes on the side edges of the canvas, ready to hang. The second artwork named Sounding 2. This is abstract acrylic painting on canvas. Music is always around us. You just have to stop and listen. When music sounds, we enjoy life in all its manifestations, forgetting about everything that disturbed us. In this painting, it is expressed by the dynamics of bright colors of painting, passing like notes into each other. Contemplating the painting, everyone will feel and hear their own unique individual melody, which resonated only to them personally. When creating this painting, I was inspired by the music performed by Andrei. Size 100 by 120 centimeters or 39.5 by 47 inches. It's signed on the front and on the back. Materials: acrylic paint on cotton canvas on a stretcher. The painting is covered with a thin layer of varnish. Painting doesn't need a frame. The image goes on the side edges of the canvas, ready to hang. I think that my paintings are bright and positive accent that will transform any modern interior, such as a house, office or restaurant. I will be very happy if my artwork take place in your heart. Thank you for viewing. Bye.